Cabin overheat protection, or CUP, is a crucial safety feature in your Tesla Model 3. It's designed to prevent the cabin temperature from rising to dangerous levels when the car is parked in hot conditions. This feature helps protect occupants, especially children and pets, and prevents damage to the car's interior. CCOP is a built-in safety feature that you can check and manage through your vehicle's settings. We'll show you how to troubleshoot CHP if it's not working correctly. First, ensure cabin overheat protection is enabled in your Tesla settings. Navigate to Controls, then Climate, and select Cabin Overheat Protection on your touchscreen. Make sure COP is set to On or No AC. This allows the system to activate automatically when needed. Also, verify that Auto Mode is active in your climate controls. Disable any third-party apps that might override your climate controls, as they can sometimes interfere with COP's operation. Cabin overheat protection relies on several sensors to accurately detect cabin temperature. You can check these sensors via the service menu. To access this menu, press and hold both scroll wheels on your steering wheel for a few seconds. Then select Service greater than Temps. Pay close attention to the ambient temp and cabin temp readings. Large discrepancies more than 5 degrees Celsius indicate a potential sensor fault. Keep in mind these sensors can be impacted by direct sunlight. Tesla frequently improves cabin overheat protection through software updates. Make sure your Model 3 is running the latest available version. Connect to Wi-Fi to check for updates. Navigate to Controls, then Software to check for and install any pending updates. The V12.5X series, released in late 2025, significantly enhanced sensor accuracy and COP reliability. Also, ensure no software glitches have caused any issues by monitoring system behavior. Watch as the update installs. If cabin overheat protection is still not working, try resetting the climate control system. A simple reset involves holding the fan icon on the touchscreen for about 10 seconds. This can clear minor software glitches affecting the climate controls. For a more thorough reset, perform a full vehicle reboot by holding down the brake pedal and both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously until the Tesla logo appears on the screen. This restarts the entire vehicle system and can resolve deeper issues. Sometimes obstructions like dirt, debris, or even bird droppings can interfere with the sensors. Carefully inspect the roof-mounted ambient temperature sensor and clean it gently with a soft cloth. Also, be aware that sensor misalignment after windshield replacement is a common issue that requires professional recalibration. If you've exhausted all the troubleshooting steps and the cabin overheat protection still isn't working properly, it's time to seek professional help from Tesla. Schedule a service appointment for a comprehensive diagnosis. Common issues requiring professional attention include faulty sensors that need recalibration or replacement, internal hardware malfunctions, or complex software problems that over-the-air updates can't resolve. The good news is that COP-related repairs are frequently covered under Tesla's warranty, particularly for vehicles manufactured up to 2023. This can save you significant costs for diagnosis and parts. Tesla service centers can perform detailed diagnostics using specialized tools, ensuring your vehicle's safety features work reliably in all conditions. Tesla is continuously working to improve cabin overheat protection reliability. Future models and software updates will incorporate AI-driven predictive climate control, using machine learning to forecast heat based on location, GPS, and weather data. Enhanced sensor redundancy will include ultrasonic sensors for more precise cabin monitoring, reducing failures and ensuring consistent performance. Solar-assisted cooling in parked vehicles will optimize efficiency and sustainability, drawing power from solar panels to maintain ideal cabin temperatures. These advancements integrate with holistic thermal management systems, projecting a 30 to 40% increase in COP reliability by 2030, driven by regulatory pressures and technological innovation. Stay tuned for further advancements in Tesla's thermal management systems, making vehicles safer and more energy efficient.